friends, we're going to make a homemade Play-Doh.
Wow.
Yeah,
So you're going to show them how to make
a Play-Doh.
It's Play-Doh with ingredients that you can just find at home. So what do you need for this? Flour.
Yeah.
Plain flour.
Salt,
Cooking salt.
cream of tartar,
Cream of tartar.
oil, and warm
Cooking
water.
oil. And lukewarm water. So for the cooking oil, you can use any vegetable oil,
Yeah.
any cooking oil like vegetable oil.
Oh yeah, my normal oil.
Yep. And what are we going to do first?
We have this.
Just simply mix them in a bowl. So we'll start with the dry ingredients first. So let's start with flour, plain flour. And what do you mix with flour? Dry ingredients. So that's the
Salt.
cooking salt.
Just put it.
Yep, just put everything in it. And then the cream of tartar.
The cream of tartar.
Tartar.
It looks like a
Everything.
snow mountain.
So now we're going to mix all the dry ingredients in one
Nice
bowl.
bowl. Let's go.
Gently.
This
Actually-
kind looks like a snow mountain.
It's like snow
Yeah,
because it's, what color is it?
white.
But once we add the food coloring,
It will turn something. A color.
you can make different
Colors.
colors. Make sure you mix them evenly. Then you try and make a hole in the middle.
Okay.
You can add the wet ingredients. Make a hole, a big one. You can add the wet ingredients.
Yeah. The hole.
That's it.
What's the green?
And then we'll add
Water.
slowly put the oil in the middle.
Oh.
And then maybe we'll try to add the
Water.
color
Water.
in the water. What color would you want to?
I'll choose blue.
So what are the different colors that you have here?
Red,
Mm-hmm.
blue, yellow, green.
What color do you want to use for this Play-Doh?
I want to use my favorite color, green tea.
Alright, green. So you add it in the water. Sure. So you add the food coloring in the water.
Yes.
Bit more. Some more. So we're adding how many drops? Just 3 drops.
Yes.
Now you've added the food coloring in the water.
Now let's stir it.
Yep.
Ooh.
Nice. That's a nice green color.
Yeah.
Now do you want to add it in your bowl?
Yeah, let's go. Oh, this is exciting.
And
Now
now
let's
you mix them.
Let's mix.
Mix them gently. Good job. You're doing a good job.
Thank you.
Okay. You notice the oil is not mixing with
Water.
water. Okay, Sari, so what color do you make?
Green. Let's
Green. But you can make other colors too using the different colors of the food coloring. So once you get this consistency, then you can start
do this.
playing with it. What do you want to do with the Play-Doh? So you can use your Play-Doh to make different
Shapes.
shapes.
It's a ball.
Mm-hmm. Nice. So this Play-Doh is safe for
Kids.
children, yeah, because you used
Ingredients.
ingredients that are safe
To play.
to play with. could put it on the table.
On the table? So fun.
Mhm.
Ah.
What ingredients did you use again?
Our
2 cups
Cups
of
of-
flour.
Yeah.
3/4 cup salt.
salt and
And
two
4
2
teaspoons
cups
of the cream of tartar. 2 cups of lukewarm water and
2 cups
2 tablespoons of oil. How does it feel?
of gooey.
Soft? Is it soft?
Yeah.
Nice.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.